Hey tech enthusiasts, ready to revolutionize your crypto investments? Introducing MindWave DAO and the game-changing dollar, NILA Token. MindWave DAO is all about taking your investments to the next level. With the NILA Token, you unlock exclusive beneficiary rights, strategic initiatives, and utility-driven rewards. Imagine having a say in the future of crypto investments and reaping the benefits. Let's dive into the perks. MindWave focuses on yield-generating Bitcoin strategies and market-making in DeFi projects. Picture this: your Bitcoin assets growing in real time, securely and stress-free. Our top-tier security measures ensure your investments are safe, so you can relax and watch your portfolio flourish. Now let me walk you through how to purchase NILA tokens. Head over to the MindWave website and fill out a simple form with your name, email, BEP wallet address, transaction ID, and amount. You can easily pay using UPI, crypto, or credit cards. Smooth, right? Once you submit, you'll get a confirmation pop-up reassuring you that your $NILA tokens will be delivered within 24 hours after payment validation. Sounds awesome, doesn't it? So what are you waiting for? Go to www.mindwavedao.com/public-sale and buy NILA now. Click on that Buy Now button and take your first step towards revolutionizing your crypto investments. Thanks for watching.